In this video, we will learn how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Let's take 15 over 4. In maths, this can also be written as 15 divided by 4. The result of 15 divided by 4 is 3 raised 3. When we write this now as a mixed number, it is written as 3, this is the 3 whole numbers, and 3 over 4. As you can clearly see, this is now a mixed number. When we illustrate this on a number line, it looks like this. If we count off 15 small quarters, we can clearly see that there are 3 whole numbers and then 3 remaining quarters.